Quick reaction lang po doon sa sinabi ni SP na hindi niya matitibag yung Senado under his term and kayo raw po yung dapat mag-resign, hindi siya.
Wala naman akong panawagan mag-resign siya. Saan kaya niya nakuha yun? Baka may nagbulong na naman sa kanya. And first of all, wala naman intention ng NBR or anybody from the side of the executive na tibagin yung Senado. It is an institution recognized since time immemorial, recognized by the 1987 Constitution. Bakit naman natin titibagin? We are there to promote law and order. Not in the Senate, again, because I have a commitment that we will not enter the Senate premises. Nag-usap kami ng Monday, so I kept my promise na hindi kami papasok. But they did not keep their promise that they will take care of Senator Bato de la Rosa. So kung may, hindi po kami yung titibag ng Senado, it's them who are there in the Senate. And I have to say this, I said it yesterday, this is not about Senator Ana Peter Cayetano or about me. Magka-schoolmate po kami niyan sa law school. This is about the rule of law. This is about law and order. So, I don't know if I have to comment pa doon sa sinabi niyang hindi nila natibag. Talagang, yung pangalan ko, sinama pa no? Doon sa magsasabi niya, no? No, but the thing is, it's not all about him. It's about law and order.